is a production of Florida Friendly Landscaping from Lily Browning, the Florida Friendly Landscaping Program Coordinator, as well as the children and grandchildren of Hernando County Utilities Department employees. These are the 9 principles of Florida Friendly Landscaping. And today we're going to discuss 7, 8, and 9, recycle, reduce stormwater runoff, and protect the waterfront. Okay, I'm going to turn it back around to you, and I'm going to ask who needs water, and I want you all to answer me, okay? Who needs water? That's right. Okay, does anyone have the water cycle one? Okay, come over here, Bella, and come over by Miss Reenie. Okay, go ahead.
We have always had the same amount of water on Earth. We are drinking and using the same water that dinosaurs used. This is because our water is recycled through the water cycle.
What's next? Who has population? Does anyone have that?
The problem is that we have a lot more people on Earth and some amount of water as always. Also, water is not always available in all places at all times. Our state is growing. We will have 26 million people in Florida by the year 2040. We need to learn to share the water.
Does anyone have this one? All righty.
Most Floridians get their water from the Florida Aquifer. That is a series of underground caves where our water is stored. It is the best, most efficient place to store unable water. We use water for drinking and cooking.
Very good.
How do we use water? Showers, baths, brushing teeth. We use water for taking showers or baths and brushing our teeth.
Very good. Yay.
We use water to fill our pools and wash our cars every single day. We use it nonstop every single day.
Very good.
To save water, find your favorite song that lasts for 3 to 5 minutes. Play it in the bathroom. When the song is done, your shower is in. Also, turn off the water while you are brushing your teeth or getting your hands soaking.
Only run your clothes washer and dishwasher when you have full loads.
We can save the water by taking a 3 to 5 minute shower. Don't leave the water running when brushing your teeth at all times. Kids, just remember, don't leave your hoses running.
Here are the watering restrictions for Hernando County. These rules apply to everyone in Hernando County, even if you own a private well.
There are 2 main types of pollution that affect our springs and waterways: point source and non-point source. Non-point pollution is the everyday activity of every people. The things we do affect our environment. Pollution enters our springs by stormwater, runoff, littering, over-fertilizing, over-watering, and leaky septanks.
Eutrophication is a big word that means that excess nutrients in our springs and waterways that mess up the natural ways the springs function.
Elevated nutrients can cause polluted springs, excessive aquatic plant growth, lower dissolved oxygen levels, and fish kills. Recent studies show nitrate levels rising in many local water bodies. Nitrate is a form of nitrogen found in inorganic fertilizers that provides nutrients to grass/plants. Nutrients from runoff may cause algae blooms so large that they can block the sun that beneficial aquatic plants need.
The picture on the left is a mermaid taken in the 1950s. The water is clear and there is a lot of fresh water, aquatic grass. The picture on the right was taken in 2013. The mermaid's arena in the Wiki Wachee Springs is full of an algae called Linglia. It is natural growing algae, but because of nitrates entering the spring, the algae grows out of control.
Stormwater runoff is pollution's favorite express train to the nearest spring or other waterway.
Our storm drains do a good job keeping water off our streets and yards, but they don't filter the stormwater. Before it goes into the nearest waterway, we need to help it keep it clean. Pick up litter, never throw your trash on the ground. Reduce stormwater runoff by using a rain barrel, making a rain garden, and having a lot of surfaces that allow water to seep through the ground.
Don't overwater your landscape. Don't put too much fertilizer on your lawn. Never hose down a fertilizer spill. Sweep it up. Use a little chemicals as possible in your yard and clean up after pets.
Water belongs to everyone.
My grandma is Katrina and she works in the finance.
My name is Bella.
My name is Bella too.
My name's John. My grandma is Lilly, and she works in water conservation.
My name is Aiden and my nana is a meter reader for the county.
Go ahead.
I'm Jake, and my dad is Gordon, and he's the director of utilities.
My name is Connor. My name is and our dad works for the utility engineering department.
And his name?
And his name is Daryl. My name is Angela, and my grandmother is a clerk cashier. My name is Gina, and my mom is Maria, and my mom works at utilities customer service.
Hello, my name is William, and my dad is Brendan. He works for the waterways technician.
My name is Alan. My grandmother's Lilly.
Hi, my name is Anthony. My mom's name is Danielle. And she works for customer service supervisor.